There's a certain aroma that wafts through the air, instantly recognizable and undeniably enticing. It's the smell of KFC's fried chicken, a scent that beckons people from all walks of life. From bustling city streets to quiet suburban neighborhoods, the craving for KFC's unique flavor knows no bounds. But what is it about this fast food chain that has captivated taste buds worldwide? The answer lies in a perfect storm of factors, a carefully crafted combination of flavor, branding, and convenience that has solidified KFC's place as a global icon. It's a phenomenon that transcends borders and cultures, a testament to the universal appeal of crispy, juicy, and perfectly seasoned fried chicken. But the story of KFC's success runs deeper than just its delectable offerings. It's a story of a man named Colonel Harland Sanders, his unwavering dedication to quality, and a secret recipe that has become the stuff of legend. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a global empire, KFC's journey is a fascinating tale of entrepreneurial spirit, marketing genius, and the enduring power of a truly irresistible taste. The story of KFC is inextricably linked to the man who lent his image to the brand, Colonel Harland Sanders. Born in 1890, Sanders lived a life marked by resilience and an unwavering pursuit of his passions. His journey to fried chicken fame was anything but conventional, filled with setbacks and unexpected turns that ultimately shaped his destiny. Before donning the iconic white suit and string tie, Sanders wore many hats: a steamboat pilot, a railroad fireman, even a lawyer, all the while experimenting with different recipes and honing his culinary skills. It wasn't until the age of 40 that Sanders began serving his fried chicken to weary travelers at his roadside motel and restaurant in Corbin, Kentucky. Little did he know that this humble establishment would become the birthplace of a global phenomenon. Word of mouth spread like wildfire, drawing in hungry customers eager to sample Sanders' unique and undeniably delicious fried chicken. The secret, he claimed, lay in his pressure fryer and a carefully guarded blend of 11 herbs and spices. This marked the beginning of what would become a culinary empire, built on the foundation of hard work, determination, and a finger-licking good recipe that would capture the hearts and stomachs of millions. The allure of KFC's chicken is deeply rooted in its enigmatic recipe, a closely guarded secret that has fueled curiosity and speculation for decades. The now iconic phrase, 11 herbs and spices, is more than just a marketing tactic. It's a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship and unwavering commitment to flavor that defines the KFC brand. The precise combination of ingredients remains a mystery to this day, locked away in a vault and known only to a select few. This air of secrecy only adds to the brand's mystique, turning each bite into a tantalizing puzzle for the taste buds. Some speculate about the presence of common household staples like paprika, garlic powder, and oregano, while others imagine more exotic additions, their imaginations running wild with each delicious mouthful. The truth, however, remains elusive, carefully protected and passed down through generations of KFC executives. This steadfast commitment to preserving the sanctity of the secret recipe is a testament to its power and its continued ability to captivate consumers worldwide. It's a flavor that simply can't be replicated, a testament to the enduring legacy of Colonel Sanders and his culinary ingenuity. Such a familiar face. The power of consistent branding and visual identity. In a world saturated with choices, brand recognition is paramount. KFC has mastered this art, cultivating a visual identity that is instantly recognizable across the globe. The image of Colonel Sanders, with his beaming smile, white suit, and black string tie, has become synonymous with fried chicken itself. It's a testament to the power of consistent branding, a carefully constructed image that evokes feelings of comfort, familiarity, and good old-fashioned Southern hospitality. From the iconic red and white striped buckets to the distinctive typeface of the KFC logo, every detail is carefully considered to reinforce the brand's identity. This consistency is crucial, especially for a global brand like KFC. Whether you're ordering a bucket of chicken in Kentucky or Kuala Lumpur, the experience remains remarkably similar. The familiar face of the Colonel, the comforting aroma, and the unmistakable taste all contribute to a sense of familiarity and trust. This consistency is no accident. It's the result of meticulous planning and strict adherence to brand guidelines, ensuring that the KFC experience remains consistent and recognizable no matter where you are in the world. This commitment to a unified brand identity has undoubtedly played a significant role in KFC's global domination, solidifying its position as a household name and a trusted source of finger-licking good fried chicken. From Kentucky to the world, KFC's global reach and cultural adaptation. KFC's journey from a single roadside restaurant to a global fast food giant is a testament to its ability to adapt and cater to diverse palates. While the core menu items remain rooted in Colonel Sanders' original recipe, KFC has demonstrated a remarkable knack for tailoring its offerings to suit local tastes and preferences. This willingness to embrace cultural nuances has been key to the brand's global success. In Asia, for instance, you'll find KFC restaurants serving up dishes like rice congee and spicy chicken sandwiches, catering to local palates while staying true to the brand's fried chicken roots. This adaptability extends beyond just the menu. KFC's marketing campaigns often feature local celebrities and cultural references, further solidifying its connection with consumers in different regions. This dedication to understanding and embracing cultural differences has allowed KFC to seamlessly integrate itself into the culinary landscape of countless countries. It's a testament to the brand's versatility and its commitment to providing a truly localized dining experience. By striking a delicate balance between maintaining its core identity and embracing local flavors, KFC has managed to achieve a level of global appeal that few fast food chains can match.